Welcome to my new video. As you all might have been aware of the fact that I recently got a new phone, well, at least new to me. So I previously adorned it with a trendy lavender palette, and after a month I wanted a makeover. Skeptical regarding the same, I posted a Q&A and the responses were remarkable. So I thought, why not give a try to all of these themes and see what fits my current mood. So I carried on with my initial idea of yellow. I wanted it to be subtle and less burdensome to my eyes क्योंकि सुबह उठकर सबसे पहले फ़ोन ही देखना होता है. But I wanted to be innovative and something flamboyant would serve my target. So I switched over to Pinterest for inspiration, and there were so many noticeable elements. But as I said, I wanted to keep it low-key and loud at the same time. So for my lock screen wallpaper, I tried a messy art. I simply made it over my roommate's picture, changed the background and framed it on my phone screen. Also, if at all you wish to purchase it, it will be available shortly in my description, or you can simply mail me. Now over to the wallpaper and style section. I decided the color palette for my app icons and which would effortlessly complement the wallpaper. Therefore, on a vibrant background, I chose a darker shade. On the widgets section, I added a 2x2 picture on my home feed, which would initially display as a pin from the Pinterest, but on a single hard tap, we can edit the stack and add pictures from our gallery. Again, from the widgets, I accessorized it with a timer, added another picture from the gallery, organized it.
And all I ever wanted was everything encompassing and burden your mind. I feel the heavy turning and testing now. I still feel your leg wrapped around my side. It seems.
And here are two of my absolute favorites ready. To be honest, I never thought green to be this plushy and elegant. Definitely going to be my another month's theme. For different themes, I had to collect relevant pins and reciprocal pictures. Let me tell you, mauve was the color that was unexpectedly royal, and the result blew my mind. Thank you for suggesting this. It couldn't have been better. It is time for the trendy shade of 2023, the aesthetic light brown. This took unanticipated time to organize because I was so into playing with colors that I forgot to organize the part. But this turned out to be very basic, very classy.
And all I ever wanted was everything encompassing and burden your mind. I feel the heavy turning and testing now. I still feel your leg wrapped around my side. It seems sewn and threaded well. My hands unseen. I wish that I could show you how.
I had less expectations with Dark Academia because it sometimes felt eerie, sad, and the only color I felt pity for. But surely the outcome was beyond beautiful.
You need to see yourself in good light. Good light's the only way I can see you now. I try to tell you all of the time. It seems sewn and threaded well by hands unseen.
And here comes the theme straight out of an anime. Extravagant and artistically pleasing. Do comment your favorite theme and predict my current theme of this month, the right guest will get a shout out in my next video. Until next time.